Hello, this is Dr. Martina, your online sex therapist and sex educator. I had a fun conversation about cuddling with some dear friends the other night. We were talking about what is cuddling. We were discussing and possibly arguing what it is not. We were talking about does it always lead to sex? How do women cuddle with each other? It was a colorful conversation, to say the least. So after some thoughts, I decided to do this video because there's one thing we did not talk about, and that is how cuddling can teach us about intimacy and how good it is for our soul and body. It is common for us humans to sacrifice intimacy, now more than ever. Some people even convince themselves that they don't need intimacy, they don't need any connection with anybody, which can't be further from the truth because we all do. Now, the other thing our lifestyle is sacrificing is time to recharge and revive ourselves from the stresses of an everyday life. Now, cuddling helps you do both. It connects you with people you love, and it gives you a chance to recharge your batteries after stressful days and months. It does both for us. So let's talk about what cuddling is. Cuddling is holding someone close in one's arms for a prolonged period of time to show love, affection, or comfort. This can be holding a partner, holding a pet, or a thing that you curl up with into a comfortable and warm position. A mother cuddles her baby, which then ultimately stops crying. As a pet owner, we all know that if you get a head bump from your pet and then you fall into a cuddle session with your pet, it leaves you loving and fulfilled. I look forward to go to bed every day these days because I have a pillow that I'm cuddling with. I was told by my chiropractor I need to use the pillow so my shoulder, my injured shoulder can heal, and I have to hold it tight every night. And he said, that pillow will become your best friend, and he was right. Cuddling is good for our health. Oxytocin is called the cuddling hormone. It gets released when we cuddle, and it lets you feel love and affection and comfort. Cuddling is amazing. It actually lets us settle into intimacy, surrender into it, and lets us feel loving and connected. It's a wonderful thing, this act of cuddling. Now, cuddling can also lead to sex. It doesn't have to, but it can. And that is okay because cuddling creates more sexual satisfaction and intimacy. Through cuddling, you can communicate your sexual desires with your partner. You can also use cuddling as a trial run to see if your sexual wishes are compatible with the person you're with. You can use cuddling as a stepping stone for a potential hot makeout session, which you realize after cuddling you want to have or not. Now, there's one more thing that I believe is even more critical, and that is to cuddle after sex. It's amazing. There's statistics out there that men want to cuddle after sex. I hear this from actually gay men who like anonymous sex, but then they want to cuddle. It still kind of surprises me, but it's there. That knowledge is there. So, because if you cuddle in the afterglow of sex, you can deepen your connection. You can deepen your intimacy. Just Google cuddle positions, different cuddle positions, and you will find out there's numerous options for you to look at and for you to practice in. The cat is out of the bag how important cuddling is for a relationship and how it can provide sexual satisfaction and relationship satisfaction. I think cuddling is a language of love all by itself. Some say that hugging, snuggling, massaging, and kissing all fall under the cuddling umbrella. There's really no right or wrong way to cuddle. as long as you clearly communicate your desires and your intent. And if you need some help finding out a cuddling position for you and your partner that works for both of you, or just need some help communicating your desires and intent, please contact me. Sometimes all it takes is one conversation to learn the love language of cuddling. Have a great week. I'll talk to you